Greetings, onlooker. Pray take a seat and make thyself comfortable. Now that you are here, I would like to tell you a story. As the legend goes, a man was once given a fish. Now that man he ate for a day. Another man was taught how to fish. That man ate for a lifetime. Billions of people access the internet every day. They log into and access sites, and they make their lives better with these sites. But only a fraction of those billions of people would know how to make a site from scratch themselves. And only those, the creators, have the possibility of revolutionizing the game. The game which in this case is the internet, so no small ordeal. So let me ask you a question. Are you a consumer or a creator? Are you the man that gets given a fish, or are you the man that knows how to fish? Since you are here, I should probably assume the latter, but if it's not, that's totally fine. But I want to keep it short before we get into it. And I just want to say one last thing. I am very glad that you are here, and I think you should really be too. For with the mastery of the skills that I will teach you in this fast-track course, there is nothing stopping you from creating amazing things.